my channel, Inspired Birdie. So today I thought that I would do a Halloween decorate with me. This is very similar to what I did for fall. If you haven't seen my fall, check that out, because what I'm gonna do is in October, I'm gonna decorate for Halloween, and then in November, I'm gonna put back all of my fall decor. So if you wanna see some fall decorate with me, go ahead and check that video out. I will have it linked below and at the end, of course. But yeah, so today, I thought that I would take you through what I do have for Halloween decoration, go through all of my storage, see what I'm gonna use, and then at the end, I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out. And along with that, I do have some new Halloween DIYs. They're not gonna be featured necessarily in this box, but you'll see them in the video, and then you can check out those videos if you're interested in some of the DIYs. I will certainly call out any that are DIYs that I've made that you can check out if you're interested and what are not. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm just starting off with all these Halloween signs. These are all from the Dollar Tree. I got them last year and I really love them. I've never used them before. So I'm gonna put them in my yes category. I don't know if I'm gonna find place for all of them, but I'm certainly going to try. I think they're just so adorable and I love the colors. These would also make some really nice DIYs. So if you guys follow me and you've seen my haul videos, you would recognize all of these guys. I'm definitely gonna use these. These are all brand new. I bought them this year. These two over here are from the Dollarama, and then we have, of course, all of these guys, which are from the Dollar Tree, and then this flashing pumpkin, who's from the Dollarama as well. So I'm definitely gonna find place to, you know, decorate with these items. I have this tablecloth that I grabbed last year for $3.50 at Dollarama. I didn't end up using it, and I'm not going to use it this year, I don't think. It's hard to say, but I'm trying not to use tablecloths this year, only because I have a 1-year-old who's walking and kind of grabs things. So I don't know, I may use it, but I'm going to try not to. But look at how cool that design is. Super fun. And then here are some other items I got from the Dollar Tree. I use these every single year. I take them out and I put them in my kitchen. So those are definitely a yes. And then I just love these skulls. I don't know if you guys remember these skulls, but these were at the Dollar Tree last year and I grabbed a ton of them. I'm glad that I did, because I haven't seen them return yet this year. They may come out with them, but I have yet to see them. So I've got gold, I've got the black, I've got the silver. I glued these two together here, but I just love decorating around the house with them. I'm not gonna do anything like DIY with them. I'm just gonna use them to decorate around the house. I just love the material and the colors. So these are all gonna be a yes for this year. And then these are some decorative signs. So this one I don't think I'm gonna use. I got it from the Dollar Tree last year. It's cute. If I have extra space, I might use it, but for now it's gonna go into my no pile. And then I have this picture frame that I made last year, which I definitely wanna use. Sorry about the glare, guys. There's a light literally right above. But I love this picture frame. So I'm definitely gonna find a place for this guy here. I think it would even look really cool by adding cobwebbing, so I might do that. And then this plate, which I actually got from a thrift store last year. So I like to also find a place for this to go. And then I just have a candy jar that I always take out every year. And then this floral arrangement is a DIY that I made on my channel last year. It would look super cute with lights inside. I'm trying to remember if I put lights. I don't think I did. I might add some lights in, I'm not too sure. And then this decoration I'm definitely going to use as well. This is from the Dollarama from last year. So I'm going to use all of those items. All right, and then these are my last items. Like I said, I have some DIYs that I'm working on this year that will also be on my channel, and you'll see them in my Decorate With Me, which is going to be right after this. So these are, well, first off, this is just a door handle jingle, which I'm definitely going to use. But all of these guys over here are items that I got at Michael's during a really crazy discount. I've mentioned before, if you go probably like a week or two before the holiday, or even after the holiday, you can get things so incredibly cheap. I'm talking like 80% off. So if you see here, in Canada, this was $14.99. And when I got it, I paid like $5. So you can get some really cool deals. So this guy's really cute. You can put candy on top. And because I have this, I forgot that I had it. I may not use the pumpkin that had the candy in it. I may just use this guy, put candy on top. And then these skulls are really cool. They actually light up. And then this is the Witch's Brew, like the Witch's book, and it's just on a stand, super heavy. Love these guys here. These are like my favorites in terms of things that I've purchased. And then this is a DIY that I did last year. I was trying to make this look like a crystal globe, and it turned out really, really well. Definitely going to use this again with the skull from the Dollar Tree on top. You can check that DIY out on my channel. It would be found under my Halloween DIY playlist, and I'll have it at the end as well. So all of these are definitely going to be used. So let's go ahead, guys, and let's move into the Decorate With Me.